365 times? Who can guess? Do not be afraid. The phrase "do not be afraid" was repeated 365 times in the Bible. So, yes, parenting is scary stuff. We don't know what will happen in the future. But God promised us that He will be with us forever if we will be with Him forever. And when it comes to the process of pregnancy, kung gusto ko isa ka Iloy, it's actually the same process sa pag-conceive man sa Ginoo sa ato tanan. Or when He planned out paano kita mabuhi sa kalibutan. I'll give you some of the similarities sa process of pregnancy and process of creation. First is, the baby is born out of love. Ang baby sa child sa isang Iloy is born out of love sa husband and wife. Same as true sa pag-create sa Ginoo sa aton. We are all born out of love. When the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit talked together, and they said, let us create man in our own image. And we know that God is love. And so, we are all born out of love. Same as true with baby. It's actually the product of you loving together, loving each other.